I'm Arup from autoX, and in autoX we end up shooting a lot of cars and bikes. As a result, we end up carrying heavy camera bags like this one. So this got us thinking if we can replace this bag for a smartphone. Now we aren't talking about just any smartphone. We have with us the state-of-the-art OPPO Reno 10X Zoom. Now what sets this phone apart is its rare 3-camera setup and the shark fin rising camera. Now before we head to the shoot, we'd like to also mention that the Reno 10X Zoom is OPPO's highest spec phone. This smartphone is powered by the top-of-the-line Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 processor. It also boasts an 8GB RAM and 256GB storage space. It also comes with a 4065 mAh battery. Now the 6.6-inch display looks gorgeous and doesn't come with any annoying notch. The Reno 10X Hybrid Zoom's primary camera is a 48 megapixel lens, and then comes an 8 megapixel wide-angle lens, and last but certainly not the least is the 13 megapixel periscope telephoto lens, which is actually first of its kind because it combines all 3 cameras to achieve the 10X Hybrid Zoom. It certainly is quite unique and cutting edge as well. So what we are going to prove is that we can get high quality magazine shots from the OPPO Reno 10X Zoom, like beauty shots, motion shots, and of course we'll check the Ultra Night Mode 2.0 as well. So call it a tutorial. Now it's time to head for the shoot and use the Reno 10X Hybrid Zoom. As mentioned earlier, the phone comes with a rare 3-camera setup. What we are going to do is take a motion shot, or rather a tracking shot. Now this phone comes with an expert mode, or rather a manual mode, which helps us set the ISO as well as the shutter speed settings. Now the ISO settings plays an important role, as based on this you can increase or decrease the exposure based on the light conditions. Now coming to the shutter speed settings, it adds a motion blur effect which makes the image very dramatic. The OPPO Reno 10X Zoom also offers many other DSLR features, like you can manually set the white balance, and it also offers automatic and manual focus as well. For professional photography, you also need multiple zoom options, and this one offers you up to 10x zoom. Let's start with 1x. Here you go. Now it's the 2x mode. You're a little bit closer to the vehicle. It straight away goes to 6x. You can focus on details like the tire here. And then comes the 10x. It's an absolute treat to use this camera. So one of the most talked about features at this day and age is the portrait or the bokeh mode. Here you can see, you simply zoom onto the car and you get the sunset as a blur. Now this phone also offers 5 different filters. Here are the different options. So how can we sign up the shootout without finding out how the 16 megapixel shark fin rising camera fares? Come, let's take a look. So, the shark fin rising camera offers intricate details and clear images which are ideal for social media platforms. The triple camera setup offers many professional features which are available in a DSLR camera, like manual adjusting the shutter speed, the ISO, and the white balance by opting for expert mode. Therefore, the cameras not only capture accurate and contrasting colors, but also plenty of details. What is impressive about the Reno 10X Zoom is that it tries to keep the processing of the photos close to its natural colors, rather than over-treating them and increasing the saturation levels. The Ultra Night Mode 2.0 is where the Reno 10X Hybrid Zoom stands out, as it captures plenty of details, segregates the object from the background as it balances exposure. There's hardly any noise and there's no camera shakeup due to the OIS, or optical image stabilization. Also, because of the OIS, we were able to take sharp motion photos of the vehicle with the background as a motion blur, which adds more drama to the photo. It's a moment of truth. Can we swap the camera bag for the OPPO Reno 10X zoom? Well, let's first select the photographs and see if they are high quality images for the magazine. So what's the verdict? We could certainly trade our DSLR cameras for the OPPO Reno 10X hybrid zoom, as it proves to be very versatile and frankly a lot more convenient than a heavy camera kit.